Good morning and welcome back to the channel. It's Tuesday morning, people. Look what I'm blessed with. I'm still here and I'm staying here, I think. How beautiful is that? What more can a man ask for than scenery like that? How beautiful. Well, there's a bit over there as well. And there's some mountains. But how beautiful. What a lovely place this is. I'm going to try and hide here over the Easter holidays if I can, because it's such a peaceful, quiet place. I mean, listen, nothing. How beautiful is that? The sun is shining on the righteous, and so it should be. But absolutely fantastic. I'm really loving this spot, but I'm in need of a bit of breakfast, people. I'm just going to have a quick fry up, I think. Fancy having a look? Come on, I know you want to have a look. Look at that for a little bit of breakfast this morning. It's Tuesday morning, people. What a way to start the day. Nice couple of bits of bread and butter. Job done. Let's get out and have a look at these beautiful mountains. Absolutely stunning. The views here are just amazing. How lovely. Tide's on its way out now. Looks like another planet out there, doesn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. The blues are fantastic. You're not going to beat that, people. It's like the tropics here. Let me get you some shots of this beautiful area. I mean, stunning. That these clips are not for everybody's. They're not everybody's cup of tea. What can I say? They're my memories, and they're there for the grandkids and the lovers who like to see a little bit of scenery, and that's never going to stop on the channel. Having a talking head is the easiest thing going. I can sit here and moan about right and what's wrong, and you must probably get good views. But who wants an head full of that every day? No thanks. I don't mind a little rant now and again, as you know. But it is what it is. And what a life. On a pension. It's the only way to go, people. I'm telling you now, it's the only way to go. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you like the little clips and a little bit of music over them. I'll try not to do them for too long because I know they can be a little bit boring. But I'd rather see that than the driving. I think driving ones drive me around the bend. I fucking hate them. As soon as I see it, off they go. I can't want to back it up. Have I been down there? That looks familiar. Not for me. Do you reckon they're looking for dingers? No idea, people. Good morning, my lovelies. On this lovely, it doesn't look lovely, but believe me, it's lovely. It's not cold at all. We've got 10, 11 degrees, so it's not cold. There's a light breeze, but how lovely is that? To wake up to this on a Wednesday morning was lovely. So peaceful at night, no lights, it's absolutely beautiful. No traffic. I don't know if you can hear me or not. But yeah, I'm feeling blessed. I've been up this morning early. I've been out and done my shopping. And Tesco's at the local one there. I've got a bit of shopping in, so I'm okay now for a day or two. And I'm just going to enjoy my time here. I'll try and get there's some oyster catchers over there on that outlet bit, and they're really giving it. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's absolutely beautiful to listen to, especially when they're in when they're in abundance like they are over there. And look at this beyond, look at the mountains. Absolutely beautiful. Parked in the same little spot because there's nobody about today. There's a couple of cars, but no campers, which is lovely to see. There was a couple here last night. I think Amanda left this morning. I don't know if she's gone shopping or left. But it's absolutely beautiful. There's nothing up here. Nobody about. This is boding well for the weekend, people. This is boding well. But we might have visitors over the weekend. I think Taffy's going to turn up. And I think he's got a problem with his van. But I think Taffy's turning up. I think Chippy might be turning up. I don't know about Pete and Jan, but there's other people coming over as well. I think Geordie on tour may be over to see us as well. So looking forward to that. We've got plenty of parking area along here. So it's a fantastic place for a little meet-up. We'll see how it goes, people. I'm going to do a bit of breakfast in a minute. I'm going to have a panini. I've just been to Tesco's, haven't I? I think you get 4 for £1.50. Let's see how we're going to do one of them this morning. Well, this is how I'm going to do my panini. How do you do yours? Let me know in the comments. So, we've got our panini. We've got it opened. I've got a bit of tomato and spring onion there. Put the tomato on the bottom because it keeps it a little bit moist, the bread a little bit moist. Then we're going to have the cheese, ham, and pepperoni. That looks all right, doesn't it? Here I go again. I forgot to show you the fillings going in, but fillings are in. Cheese, tomato, ham, salami, cheese, spring onions. Put them in a pan on as low as you can get. Leave it for about 5-6 minutes and then turn it over. And that's about it. I'll show you when it's up on the plate. Now that's a panini. Hey? Well, I'm taking this bad boy outside. Oh, you can't beat that. Look at that. Look, what more could a man ask for? Bit of peace and quiet too. In the element, mate. Come on, who's a fan of these? Who's a fan of the old hot cross buns? I'm going to have one now after me panini with a cup of tea. I'm going to toast it with a bit of butter. I've got the Welsh butter, you know. Real butter. Toast them up just like that. Plenty of butter. If you ain't got butter on them, they're not worth eating. You've got to get Welsh butter on them, really. That's the way to go. Bit of Welsh butter. So it drips all down your front.
Darkest before the dawn. But when the sun rises, it's game on. Don't let them see the truth. Put that mask on, so it's the real you. Got these memories.
Today's dinner's a bit of a quick one. We've got some nice faggots and onion gravy. Some baby miniature potatoes in butter and white pepper. And mushy peas. Boom. That's all they wrote, people. That'll do, won't it? Faggot, peas and mash. No mash. Dinner was good, but not as good as this sunset. How beautiful. Feeling blessed? Look at this. We're blessed with a full moon this evening. Got a full moon, people. How stunning is that? Is it the first full moon? The pink moon, is it? Maybe? Let me know in the comments, people. I'm going for pink moon. Good morning, my lovelies. It's Thursday. The suns are beaming down. We've got blue skies. I mean, what more can a man ask for? There's a little bit of washing going on there. Undies, I've had to wash them. I don't need a laundrette yet. It's just me undies need a bit of attention. Well, some of them. It's just another day in van life, isn't it, really? We've got a nice breeze. They won't take long to dry. But look at this behind me. I mean, unbelievable. The weather's been fantastic. It's all due to change, though, as we know, as it does on an Easter. But hey, sometimes they can be wrong. Most times they can be wrong. Let me tell you that. But it's been absolutely amazing here. Now it looks nice and warm, but let me tell you, I think we've got 10 degrees today. I'm gonna have a walk down on the beach in a minute. I'll take you down with me. So today is Maundy Thursday. Did you know that? What is it? Come on in the comments. Come on. I'm going to the beach. Look at this beautiful beach. Look at the cockle shells. Millions of them. I'm just up there. Any history buffs out there? Let me know what these bits are for, or were they a bit of a building, or what were they for? Let's have a closer look. Looks like they're old sea defences, but I don't know what these brick things are for. But it's absolutely beautiful. It's a bit windy, but absolutely fantastic. Just having a wander on the beach, people. I'm on the hunt, people. I ain't got a rake, but I'm looking for the old cockles. Because the next time I come across a seaside shop, I'm going to get one of them kids' rakes. Because this place looks full of them. And it wouldn't take you long to get a bucket full. Trust me. I don't even know if you're going to hear me. I've got the mic on, so we should be alright. But just want to put a smile on your faces. Especially for those people still at work who haven't reached the age of retirement yet. You got to look at it. It's the first bank holiday of the year. You got a 4-day week this week. Then you got a 4-day weekend. Then you got another 4-day week. Come on, what's not to like, people? What's not to like? See? Silver lining to everything. Well, it seems we've got a storm warning coming, people. This should be interesting. Let's see what we can find out. My manor, look at that. Good Friday. Morning. The weather's changed. It's Good Friday. And we've got severe weather warnings. And are lucky. The sea's got waves on it tonight. It's blowing a hoolie. I'm not rocking, so I must be in the right place. Now I've got a bit of advice for you, because I've done this before. I've been in the odd storm. This is my 5th year in the van. Well, I've just done my 5th winter. So, here's a bit of advice. If you can face into the wind, there's not a problem. Or put your ass into the wind, it's not a problem. If you're fortunate enough like me, I've got legs I can put down, but it's easier for me to hotch about. So finding the space, like where I am now, I can hotch around. I can point my van where I want to, really. Now you can run to the mountains, but you're going to be like a tick on a dog's ass. The valleys are going to be even worse. It's going to whip through them. I'm going to sit by the coast and see what happens. Because my theory being, if there's no trees or nothing that can blow and hit your van, you're on a winner. So as close to the beach as you can get, I think is about the safest place. It may be a bit uncomfortable, but who knows? We're about to find out, people. We're about to find out. Storm Dave. Terrifying, isn't it? Dave. Fucking hell. It's a bit windy. Is that what they mean? I mean, you'd have thought, because Wales is going to get the brunt of it. North Wales is going to get the brunt, I think. So why didn't they name it Storm David? Just a thought. Just a thought. I do get some shit going through this head, I'm telling you now. Anyway, I'm going to take you outside. I've got an airy finger. So we'll clip on and I'll take you outside and show you what these... there's waves with white bits on the top. Never seen before. I think I've been here 2 or 3 days now. And I'm telling you, it's lovely just to stop and get your thoughts together. Travelling's quite hard, to be honest with you. If you're on the move every couple of days, it's quite hard. You know, you're searching new areas for laundrettes or whatever. So to get a bit of time like this, because I've got a bit of time, it's like an holiday. But let me take you outside and we'll have a look at these. We'll have a look what the weather's doing. This is Friday morning at 10:30. The undies are drying by the diesel heater. They're done now. They can actually go away. This wind, it didn't dry nothing. Let me tell you now, I hung them out all day, nothing. Well, my lovelies, let me show you what's going on out here. Whether you can hear me or not, I don't know. But I've never seen the tide this high. There's no vans. There's a couple down, right down at the bottom end. There's a couple of vans. And I can see a couple at the top. Let me spin you around and I'll give you a look. So I'm faced right into the wind. Look at these babies. We've got waves here. I've never seen it so high. We'll see how good this mic is then, shall we? But you can't even see the mountains over that side. Madness, people. This is going to be fun. It's pulling some shit up, I know that. There she is, face right into the wind. I think we got it sus, Pete. Well, this should be good. I mean, it's only Friday morning. The storm isn't due until Saturday going into Sunday, I think. Now, I'm hoping you can see this. The sea is actually breaching over the road down there. That's going straight across the road. This is outside the living room window. I mean, it's definitely chucking the old black stuff out there, mate. But you can see with this top tide line, we'll see how high it gets, people. I love living in a van. You experience this. Well, I'm just doing a bit of breakfast this morning, people. I'm going full Monty, I think. I'm not going out in there with that gale, that's a fact. So we're gonna have a proper breakfast. Let me spin you around and I'll show you what's on the agenda. We've got a bit of streaky bacon. Now, I normally don't get smoked. I normally like just normal bacon. We're gonna have an egg with that. But what's in the pan already? We've got some black pudding, a couple of sausages, mushrooms, some potatoes, pre-boiled they were from yesterday, beautiful, and some tomatoes. Let's get this together, people, and a bit of bread and butter, of course. Real butter. Welsh, you know. We've got the bread and butter's ready, my cup of tea's nearly ready, and I broke my bleeding egg, and I. We'll see it on the plate, people. There it is, people. A nice bit of egg, bacon, sausage, some potatoes, black pudding, mushroom, and tomatoes. A couple of bits of bread and butter and a cup of tea. What more can a man ask for? And it looks like the tide's going out, people. Look, it's going down. Perfect. Well, my lovelies, we've got 4:30 in the afternoon. That little storm has passed us. So, we'll see. We'll be here for the weekend, so we're going to see if it does turn up. But I thought that was it. But obviously not. But can you see along the beach when it's dragged up? So that's been the highest tide for a while by the look of it. But what a difference in the day. I mean, it's not cold. We've got 11 degrees today, so it's lovely. Well, it's 7:45 on Good Friday evening, people. Beautiful sunset. But is this the calm before the storm? I suppose we'll find out tomorrow. Good morning, my lovelies. How are you on this? It's slightly damp Saturday morning. It's Easter, you know, people. Tomorrow's Easter Day. I remembered. I haven't let you know how the battery's going that we fitted back in January. It's been fantastic, actually. It's charging and doing its job like what it should be. So I'm over the moon with that. The battery in the phone is been okay as well. So at least that little problem's over. I should be all right for another couple of years now, hopefully. Famous last words, obviously. Anyway, we've had a nice peaceful night. No wind, no nothing. The tide's just on its way in now. We've got a little bit of dampness in the air, spitting of rain, but no winds as yet. Now they reckon the winds start from 6. The weather warning is from 6 o'clock this morning. It's now 9:30 and nothing until 6 o'clock Sunday morning, when we should be over the worst. It's tonight, I believe, is going to be the worst, but I'll let you know how that goes. But this is your Sunday video, so you'll have to wait for Wednesday for that one, I'm afraid, my lovelies. But I will be here riding the storm out. So I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday and reporting what's going on. Did we make it? Did the van get blown over? Let's bleed hope not, eh? It's always a bit of a worry when you see, you know, the winds can be over 80 miles an hour. I mean, if you can imagine travelling in this at 80 miles an hour, you wouldn't want to, let me tell you, you wouldn't want to. But we'll see what happens tonight. As long as we can keep it faced into the wind, we should be okay. But I really hope you've enjoyed this one. And like I say, leave us a little comment, please, even if it's Happy Easter. That'd be nice. I wish you all the best for Easter. I hope you have a lovely holiday and you're enjoying it. Remember, you got a 4-day week to look forward to next week. So it's not so bad after all, people. Anyway, I want to thank all you subscribers, non-subscribers, people who are about to subscribe, and just you watchers. You're all welcome to come along. And of course, our members. Love you all to bits, and thank you so much for your support. Well, I'm going to leave this one here, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Hold on to your hat and keep your fingers crossed. You never know what's going to happen.
Been around the world, I've seen a lot of hot stuff, but nothing beats the journey, not even the money. Bless my mind, I fell in love with all the heart. I beat my world a part of my journey. You can't take it from me. My life, I'm in the driver's seat. Nobody can take my spot. Keep pushing, don't ever quit. Been dreaming right from the start. I get to write it. It's my movie, I'm the one who decides it. Those nights when I have no light in the crib, young king still visualize it. Every day I choose who I want to be. Sometimes we break the rules, cause we all got to be free. Got to protect it. It's my movie, I'm the one who directs it. Setbacks and gasoline for my jetpack. Bounce back every time, it's exciting. Been around the world, I've seen a lot of hot stuff, but nothing missed the journey, not even the money.